This week Parashat Novach. Torah says Parashat Novach, Elle Toldo Novach. These are the offsprings of Novach. What's the offspring of Novach? Is Sadiq Tamim Haya Bedurta. He was a righteous person, perfect person in his generation. And with God he walked Novach. Rashi has a question here. Torah starts telling you offspring of Novach. That's the offspring of Novach. Therefore, you would expect Torah would talk about his children. Who are the children? Instead of talking about children, Torah talks about what type of person Novach was. He was righteous. He was perfect. He walked with Hashem. Now Rashi asks, that's not the offspring. This is the characteristics of Novach. But Torah says it's offspring of Novach. Rashi says, Chazal tell us, to teach you, that the primary offspring of a Sadiq is not his children. What's the primary offspring of a Sadiq? His characteristics. Being a righteous, being perfect, walk with Hashem. This is the real offspring of a Sadiq. Now it's so interesting. Torah teaches us the real offspring of a Sadiq is being righteous, being perfect by Noach. Why? Why this nikuda, this point, has to be taught by Noach? Imagine the children of Noach would cease to exist. What would happen to humanity? Humanity, we have Noach and his children. If we lose the children of Noach, we lost the humanity. Now, in this case, what is better? If you put in a scale, what is more important? What is it? The offspring that gives maintenance to the world and humanity, or being righteous, being perfect? Torah tells us, even in such a situation, the real offspring of somebody is not keeping the humanity. The real offspring of a person is how righteous he is, how perfect he is. Yes, not to lie, not to cheat. Be perfect in life, not to get angry. That is more important than maintaining the world. Because being righteous, being perfect, gives oxygen to the world. It's the oxygen of the world. A lot of times we say, oh, unfortunately, I'm a very honest person to be rich. Unfortunately, I'm very honest, to be popular. But we have to understand that our integrity, or being honest, it's Torah tells us is more important than maintaining the world. Imagine somebody did something, and through that the world could exist, would continue. You give him a Nobel Prize, you say. Therefore, whenever we have a test, and we stand in our test, we show our integrity. We don't cheat. We don't lie. We don't do wrong things. We don't look at something that we shouldn't look. It has to empower us. We did an act that maintains the world, keeps up the world. This is the perspective. It's very ironic that through Mabul, through flood, through destruction of the world, we learn what maintains the world, what keeps the world. If you keep the world the way that goes, and the perspective and the outlook that people have, it's a flood, it's the map, it's destroyed. What keeps the world to be righteous and perfect?